Here, you want to do it?
Uh-uh.
Look at that. Look at that. There's one up there in a nest.
Holy shit.
Is that crazy? I can't even see him on this little screen.
It's a bunch of of those blackbirds. Doesn't that mean death?
No, I don't think so. But it's like they're in a frenzy almost.
Yeah.
Hey, stay out here with me.
It's too cold, I'm sorry. I don't know why I just looked at the camera when I said
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, I'm gonna get pooped on. Cassie, hurry! Come here, hurry! You just missed the most amazing thing. No, you didn't. They had a big wave of them. They were all singing so frantically, and then all of a sudden, boom, everyone stopped at the same time. And then they just went into this wave, and they just rode the wind. No one's left over here. Not one. They all left together. Well, you can see what kind of birds these